Lot 250 is a 2002 Harlan airport tug. It's got a straight 6-cylinder, which sounds great. It's been running for over half an hour at idle. And listen to the engine, you'll hear it yourself. It is a 300 Ford straight 6-cylinder gasoline engine. We jump started it straight to the battery, to the starter solenoid, because the ignition is not working and there's no keys. So we hot wired it and we got it going. Listen. Only 322 hours. If you have a Ford F-150, older model, this motor will fit it if you need a motor. But this only has 300 hours. Motor specs will be posted on the website. Straight body. Paint is slightly faded on the hood, but the rest looks good. The body is very straight. All the connection mechanism is good. The seats are rusted out. The frames are rusted, but the body is good. So it's just replacing the seats. Simple fix. It's got front and reverse. The alternator is charging good. Everything looks good here. It's got 322 hours. Let me rev it up for you. It sounds so nice. Hard to believe, only 322 hours. Like I said, this is a steel body frame, heavy duty chassis, heavy duty tires. The tires look good. It's gasoline, it has a carburetor. All right, just the seats are bad. And the ignition switch, and that's pretty much it. Well, good luck.